Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Javelin anti-cheat error, EA, anti-cheat encountered error, or security violation error when trying to play EA Sports FC26 on PC. Whether your game won't let you join matches, or you're constantly getting kicked due to these errors, this simple step-by-step guide will get you back into the game quickly. First, open File Explorer and go to this PC. Navigate to your local disk C, then open Program Files, and find the EA folder. Inside, double-click the AC folder and open the EA anti-cheat installer. When prompted, click Run. Once the installer launches, select Uninstall All. This will completely remove EA anti-cheat from your system. Next, open your web browser and search for EA anti-cheat Javelin download. Click on the official EA website link and then download the EA Javelin anti-cheat installer. Once the setup file has finished downloading, open it to launch the installer. Now, at the top of the installer, select EA Sports FC26 as the game you're having issues with. Click Install, and wait for the process to finish. This will reinstall EA anti-cheat properly on your PC. Finally, restart your computer. After rebooting, launch EA Sports FC26 again, and the Javelin anti-cheat error or security violation error should be resolved. And that's all there is to it. By uninstalling and reinstalling EA anti-cheat, you should now be able to play EA Sports FC26 without any interruptions. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know that your game is working again. Why not help another player fix this issue too?